All right, lights out. Flagman Brian Tapp has his flag in his hand, finger on the button. Brownlee and Garrison going to bring us to green flag right here. 20 laps around. Factory Stock A feature action. It's a whole gaggle of cars going through 1 and 2. Brownlee out to the lead. Jim Kuehn and Garrison in second place, battling. 3 wide, 4 wide, sideways on the front straightaway, gathers it back up, gets through clean. Oh, a little more contact between Garrison and Kuehn there. We got him 3 wide off of 2. We got a slow, the 14 is slow on the back straight. If he can clear the cars and get off the track before we have a caution, that would be great. He's got to the tail of the field now. Brownlee still out front, Kuehn in second, Kuehn in third. J4 and 34, both Kuehns. Dalton Garrison in fourth. Here comes the 20. Bledsoe getting around Garrison, the 99. The 21C making a move, Charles Curley. Oh, the 99, the X99 is slow on the front straightaway. Looks like he'll be exiting the racetrack. Near me, oh, we got cars scattered everywhere in turn 2. Lights out. Flagman is ready. Finger on the button, Brownlee, foot on the gas. Jim Kuehn, Aaron Kuehn looking to take advantage of this restart. Brownlee's being challenged hard by Jim Kuehn in the J4 here. We got the D3, pulls to the infield. Jim Kuehn to the inside of Brownlee. Brownlee high on the outside, carrying that speed off of turn 4 down the front straightaway. We got a really good battle for the lead. Jim Kuehn, Brownlee in a 41. Aaron Kuehn, we got them nose to nose in turn 4. That's the 14T and the 15V. Tommy Lawley and Bailey Van see if the all Kuehn second row can do anything with Brownlee. It was a very racy restart a while ago. Brownlee's on the gas. The green flag is out. Bledsoe makes a move, threads the needle in between a couple, and gets really, really tight with Curley sliding through the middle, make contact with Bledsoe. Here comes Dalton Garrison off the back, midway through the pack already, as Aaron Kuehn makes a move, slips up into the lead as Hoppock goes around, and Wasserman barely avoids him in turn 4. There in the 4th row would be the 5th row with the leader out front. Van and Wasserman in the next row. Green flag is out. Brownlee out to the lead. Here comes, oh, he takes the super high line way up top, and Brownlee tags the wall and comes down in front of traffic. Lost everything he had. Something broke or something is wrong with this car. Can he get off the track to not cause a yellow flag on the speedway? Bledsoe. All right, lights out. Jim Kuehn bringing us around to the green with Aaron Kuehn in tow, and Bledsoe in third. Curley in 4th. Garrison in the 4, making a little contact there. Oh, and Curley goes around in 2. All right, lights out. Here we go. Let's try to get this thing going. Believe with me here. Jim Kuehn on the pole on this front row. Get this race started at the green flag, Aaron Kuehn. Bledsoe, Garrison. That is your top 4. Garrison on the inside of Bledsoe, making a run from the back. Jim Kuehn out front. Aaron Kuehn in second, Garrison, Bledsoe. We have the 420 of Houston Garrison making a run up to the top 5. Bailey Van exits the track in turn 1. It's a Kuehn on Kuehn battle up here. The J4 of Jim and the 34 of Aaron. But Dalton Garrison is right there looking to pounce on these two guys. And Bledsoe gets a little bit crooked in 1 and 2. Manages to save it and not lose anything. Looks like Hoppock is right there on him. again has a little trouble getting through the corner. They're stacked up back here. Brownlee is back on the track, trying to make up some ground. Aaron Kuehn to the inside of Jim Kuehn down the back straightaway. Dalton Garrison looks to the inside. Very cautious. The top 3 cars have broken away. Garrison to the outside of Jim Kuehn. 34 of Aaron Kuehn out front. Hoppock has taken over the 4th spot. Bledsoe struggling just a bit here after the restart. 41 of Brownlee making some moves up with Wasserman right behind him. Wasserman, I mentioned his name, and he goes around. Looks like he's going, oh, he tried to get it going, and it died on him, so we're going to have caution on. Dalton Garrison, Dalton Hoppock, and Bledsoe, your top 5. Green flag is out. Garrison makes a bold move on the start to get by Jim Kuehn. Looking for more. A handful of laps ago, Garrison was in the pits getting something fixed. He's come back out and making some moves all the way up to the front of the field. All right. It's a door-to-door battle for the lead, but Garrison gets a great run there down the back straightaway and takes over the lead from Aaron Kuehn with Jim Kuehn in 3rd. Dalton Hoppock making a move here into 3rd place around Jim Kuehn if he can make it happen. Dalton Garrison, Aaron Kuehn out front. Hoppock, Jim Kuehn. Here comes Houston Garrison. Oh, Jim Kuehn pulls wide with some kind of issue. The 420 of Houston Garrison making his presence felt here in the top 4 with Brownlee up to 5th. We don't want a caution, but Brownlee probably wants a caution. Bledsoe in 6th, and the 14T of Tommy Lawley 7th. Wasserman in 8th. Jim Kuehn has moved to the bottom of the field off the pace. Garrison out front at the halfway mark with Aaron Kuehn in 2nd. Hoppock in 3rd. Houston Garrison and Shawn Brownlee battling for that 4th spot. Brownlee making up a lot of ground after having issues while leading. Bledsoe and Lawley battling it as well. Brownlee up into the 4th position now. Super fast car. Bledsoe's dropped back to 6th. Wasserman 7th. The 89 car is in jeopardy of going a lap down here, as Dalton Garrison is setting a wicked pace, pulling away from the field. Brownlee still in 4th, trying to chase down Hoppock. Looks like things have settled out quite a bit here with Garrison out front. Aaron Kuehn in 2nd, Hoppock in 3rd. Brownlee is still trying to make a charge with Houston Garrison in the 5th spot. Lawley, then Bledsoe, Wasserman. The 4 of Zoe Hyde and the 89 of Dustin King rounding out your field. We are down to 5 to go. Oh, well, they called the checker flag. I didn't even see the white. I'm sorry. They shortened the race 5 laps due to time constraints. Your winner is Dalton Garrison. Aaron Kuehn in 2nd. Dalton Hoppock in 3rd. Shawn Brownlee in 4th. Houston Garrison in 5th. My apologies, I did not see the race being shorted. Give it up for your winner, Dalton Garrison in the 99. 2nd place, Aaron Kuehn, 11H